Hello world! Today's video is a theme and variations project based on the famous Hello World programming tradition. I am going to show you 5 programs with 5 levels of complexity that all serve to greet the user with a Hello World message. I'll explain some things along the way, but if anything is confusing, feel free to ask a question in a comment and I'll make a follow-up video to answer it. Level 1. Basic print statement. This is the simplest version, level 1. And since we are working in Python, which is a concise language, it will seem even simpler than it would in some other languages. I'm looking at you, Java. Let's get into the code. I will be using Vim, a text editor that is convenient to use at the terminal. This is a short one-line program that has the minimum necessary to print Hello World. Now, to run the program, I use the Python command, followed by the file name. It works and it prints Hello World. So that's level 1. Now let's level up. Level 2, personalized greeting. In level 2, I will take this Hello World program to the next level by adding a personal touch. I'll prompt the user to enter their name, and the program will greet the user with their name included. And now let's write the code for level 2. Again, I run Python and the file name. Today, I feel like being called Bob. And indeed, the program says, "Hello, Bob." Great, it works. Let's move on. Level 3, multilingual greeting. In level 3, I'll take our Hello World program to a global scale by enhancing the program to greet users in different languages. The code uses conditional statements to take different actions based on user input. Let's write the code for level 3. This one is a little longer, so I'll use the magic of video editing to speed up the typing. Okay, let's try this program out with each of the expected numbers and one other random number. Now let's try Spanish and French. And once more with a random number. I just like the number 27. But this program apparently does not like the number 27 because the language is not supported. Okay, our Hello World program can now greet users in English, Spanish, and French. As a challenge, could you extend this program with even more languages? If you do, let me know and I'll feature your program in an upcoming video. Level 4, ASCII art greeting. That's right, I'm using ASCII art. And because of that, level 4 is sort of silly, but it also reveals some hidden complexities that exist even within the level 1 program. If you haven't heard of ASCII art, it'll be easier to demonstrate it than try to explain it. So here we go. Once again, I will speed up the typing to save you some time. Now that I've typed it all out, let's go ahead and test it. Doesn't that look nice? Now for your challenge. Can you design more ASCII art so the program says hello world? Also, you may be curious why I included an R after the print function but before the 3 quotation marks. If you know why, let me know in the comments. Level 5, GUI Greeting. Congratulations, you've made it to the final level, Level 5. On this level, we bring Hello World into the GUI world. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface, and graphical user interfaces are the way we're all used to interacting with our computers and phones. Here I'll be using the Python tkinter library. Let's get into the code. Once again, I'll speed up the video to save you some time. Okay, let's see how it works. Here's the GUI window that opened. And it says Hello Eric when I click the button. Looking good. We turned our Hello World program into a GUI program using tkinter. It looks like a real program, doesn't it? Conclusion. We've reached the end of our little coding adventure through the 5 levels of Hello World. From the basic print statement to a full-fledged GUI, we've explored various ways to greet the world using programming. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And remember, coding is all about creativity and continuous learning. So let me know what you think I could make for levels 6 through 10. And again, if any of this was confusing or you'd like to know more, just let me know in the comments. Finally, thanks so much for watching, and may you have happy coding, whatever level you choose.